Hey guys, what's up? Today is another video, and this time I'm actually making my voice go up higher because you guys, I don't know, but you guys kind of complained on my voice, so I'm gonna make it higher this time. So what we're doing today is, I just wanted to update actually my YouTube channel. So. If you haven't noticed, last month, February 13, was my second year on YouTube, basically. So, 2016, 2017. And February 13 is the day that I joined YouTube. So, basically, YouTube's birthday. My channel's birthday. And I want to say thank you guys for me, actually all of us guys, all of us has actually supported a lot. All of us have actually reached 42 subscribers. Woohoo! Waha! Great job, whatever. Well, that's great, actually, guys. That is actually ranking up. So, I think last time we used to have 30 or 20, something like that. So, yeah. Today is my channel's birthday. Actually, February 13 was my YouTube channel's birthday. So, basically, my channel on February 13 was this channel's birthday. So happy birthday! Very late, actually. So what else I wanted to say is I will do more gaming videos and stuff. And this next game I was gonna be doing was Hello Neighbor. You guys noticed that I'm gonna be playing Alpha 1 for now, but pre-alpha I'm not too sure about that. I know, sorry guys, it might crash a lot, but yeah, it has to be like that. It's crashing. The developers say it crashes a lot and it's buggy and laggy and stuff. So you can't deal with any of that. So this is basically just an update for you guys, so you can see what's going on later. And for Murder Mystery 2, basically, that is gonna be uploaded soon enough. I know you guys been waiting for a long time, since October. Yeah, you guys been wanting that game. So I'm gonna be playing it. It might be a little laggy though. Might crash me out because Roblox. Yeah. So anyway, that's the updates for now, and I might have to make some changes, so I'll just have to redo it. So later.